Hello, welcome to Stibo Systems Studio. I'm Niels Petersen, SVP of Product Strategy, and we're here today to talk about sustainability, and I'm joined today by Neda Nia, Chief Product Officer.
Hello, everyone.
So, out of the many things that Stibo has invested in recently and done innovations around, Stibo has chosen to take a bold stance on sustainability. Can you tell me a little bit about why that is and what it is that we're trying to do?
So when sustainability as a topic was starting to bubble up, specifically around our European customers, we were really curious to see how we can help our customers to achieve their sustainability goals through better data. So we started evaluating and assessing, and that's how our journey started on sustainability. And you know, it's a big topic, and we are nowhere near destination, but the idea is to team up with our customers and really partner with them to understand the requirements and then help them achieve those requirements.
Yeah, thank you. I look at sustainability as a really big topic as well, and data is a big part of driving the agenda that our customers have. It's easy to make some statements about what you want to achieve, but then actually proving and executing on that is really tricky. And that leads me to the next topic. It's like, well, and jumping from sustainability and towards multi-domain. So how do you see the connection between like sustainability and what we're doing around multi-domain?
One of our unique differentiator in the market is that we are one platform and we can manage multi-domain, meaning product data, location data, and supplier data can all be managed in one place. And it's helping our customers to basically look at their products from a 360 degree view. And I think that's why we are able to act on it right now, have some POCs and general available functionalities with our customers.
Yeah, I see the same as in the life cycle of the product. So if you want to have a sustainable product and prove that you have a sustainable product, it's not just a matter of data on the outside, but it's whenever the product managers, product designers up front want to design a product that lives up to those brand promises.
The first step, I think, was to understand what is the low-hanging fruit out there, requirements that we can serve our customers with. And one of them was around commerce use case, that there are now more customers who really care about brands' vision about sustainability. So enriching that product data with information around sustainability, leading to more conversion and more kind of emotional connection with the buyers. That was one of the early use cases. But now we have passed that age and we are getting into more sophisticated requirements, specifically around, we call it sustainability data card. So you get a 360-degree view of your product, and then you can, based on your organization's goal, you can score each product. And we have done this scoring in the history of Stibo Systems products. We have like supplier scorecard. So we took those kind of concepts and adopted to product. So now we have, I think, one of the general available functionalities that I'm happy to share here is about data cards. And we have a freemium model that includes 100 data cards or some number like that, and allows the customers to ease into it, to try it out. Because to be honest, there is no concrete ownership even from the customer side. Is the sustainability chief officer who owns this data, or is it the MDM or CIO? So we are figuring it out, and by allowing the customers to test it out, they can become our champions and go and talk to their CIOs or CDOs.
So what else are we working on that you see as you're driving the sustainability agenda forward?
I think the next phase, again, based on the feedback that we are receiving from customers, are mostly around regulations. Mm-hmm. And regulation can be a very big and vague topic, and it can be very regional. And as you mentioned, it is complicated. So as a team, we have said, challenge accepted. Let's learn about these requirements. And we've worked with retailers that are starting to evaluate to only work with suppliers that can provide some kind of a certification or some kind of a compliance reporting for the retailer to have a license to operate. So we can help both retailers and manufacturers to put those reports to put up with these compliance, and it is powerful, and it's the right thing to do. That's another thing. As a business, we always want to do the right thing. As a parent, I do want to contribute to a better world in the future, and I am motivated beyond our professional goals. It is very personal, and I will be personally championing this at our company. And we are foundation-based, as you know, and the foundation and board are supporting us, because sometimes it is really hard to justify investment in something that doesn't have path to profit or path to revenue. But we have given that freedom to explore this topic, and I'm forever grateful for that.
This has come up recently when it comes to AI, and AI consumes like lots of energy and water and so forth. So, but AI and sustainability, how do you see them play against each other or complement each other or something? You must have some thoughts about that particular topic and how they may or may not relate.
And I think we have a responsibility here to help organizations to not become data hoarders, to really invest in the data that matters for their business and govern that data to hopefully reduce the carbon footprint. Also, there is this large language model and training these models that are also very computational heavy, and they are using a lot of these data centers. So how do we team up with our customers, maybe explore some new topics like small language models that are very specialized in a certain topic, and again, reduce carbon footprint? Interesting, AI is the way of future, and we want to adopt it, but what is the cost? Can we be more mindful around sustainability?
Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the Stibo Systems YouTube channel.